Are you struggling with managing your team's workload, missing deadlines, or finding it hard to allocate resources efficiently? What if I told you that artificial intelligence can help you optimize your team's performance and make resource management a breeze? In this video, we're diving deep into how AI can transform the way you manage resources, improve productivity, and streamline team operations. Stay tuned, because this could be a game changer for your business. Welcome back to NxtChair, where we explore the latest trends and innovations in technology, business, and productivity. If you're new here, we're all about sharing insights that help you stay ahead of the curve. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to never miss an update. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your colleagues. Today, we're talking about AI for resource management and how it can optimize team efficiency. Effective resource management is critical for any organization, but it can often be challenging. From project managers juggling multiple projects and deadlines to team leaders trying to assign tasks based on team members' availability and skill sets, there's a lot that can go wrong. That's where AI steps in. By automating processes, providing predictive analytics, and optimizing workflow, AI is making it easier than ever to manage resources efficiently. So, how exactly can AI help you manage resources more effectively? Let's break it down into a few key areas. 1. AI-powered task allocation. One of the most significant challenges in effective resource management is task allocation. In any organization, it's not just about finding someone who's available to take on a task, it's about identifying who is best suited for the job. Misallocation of tasks can lead to inefficiencies, missed deadlines, and overburdened team members. This is where artificial intelligence can make a substantial difference. So, how does AI improve task allocation? 1. Understanding team skills and strengths. AI can analyze a wide range of data to gain a deeper understanding of your team's skills, expertise, and strengths. Instead of relying on manual processes where managers assign tasks based on assumptions or limited information, AI can tap into performance data, skill sets, and even past project experiences. For example, if you have a project that requires specific technical skills, AI can automatically identify the team members who possess those skills and prioritize them for the task. This ensures that the right person is always doing the right job, leading to higher quality work and better outcomes. 2. Availability and workload capacity. Another crucial aspect is determining who's available. Human managers might not always have a clear picture of everyone's workload, but AI can provide this information instantly. AI-powered tools monitor the real-time workload capacity of each team member, ensuring tasks are allocated to those who have the bandwidth to take them on. This prevents scenarios where some employees are overworked while others are underutilized. For instance, if your organization has multiple projects running simultaneously, AI can quickly check which team members are close to their capacity limits and which ones have space to take on more work. This enables a more balanced distribution of tasks, improving productivity and preventing burnout. 3. Optimizing scheduling. One of the often overlooked aspects of task allocation is scheduling. AI can optimize not only who gets the task but also when they get it. By analyzing deadlines, project dependencies, and task durations, AI systems can create a schedule that ensures efficient workflow. For example, if task A depends on the completion of task B, the AI system can schedule these tasks accordingly to avoid any unnecessary delays. This means that projects move forward smoothly without the typical bottlenecks that happen when tasks are scheduled manually. Managers can also use AI to identify potential conflicts in advance and adjust schedules before issues arise, making the entire workflow more predictable and streamlined. 4. Real-time adjustments. The workplace is dynamic, and situations can change quickly. What happens if a team member suddenly calls in sick or an urgent project comes up? AI can handle these real-time changes by reallocating tasks on the fly. By continuously monitoring the workload and progress, AI can reassign tasks to available team members or shift priorities based on changing project needs. This level of flexibility means projects are less likely to be delayed, and managers don't have to scramble to make adjustments manually. It's like having an intelligent assistant that's constantly checking the pulse of your team's performance and stepping in to help when needed. 5. Better use of talent and skills. One of the biggest advantages of AI-powered task allocation is the better utilization of talent. When tasks are assigned based on real data rather than guesswork, you ensure that your team's skills are being used to their full potential. It also allows team members to work on projects that align with their strengths, leading to higher job satisfaction and better overall performance. For example, if a designer excels at creating graphics for social media but struggles with web design, the AI can prioritize assigning them to social media projects. This way, each team member can focus on what they do best, improving both the quality of work and employee morale. If you're finding this information useful, go ahead and like this video. It helps us reach more people and allows us to bring more valuable content your way. Task allocation is just the beginning. Let's move on to another crucial aspect of resource management. 2. Predictive Analytics for resource planning. AI's ability to utilize predictive analytics is a game changer when it comes to resource planning. Traditional planning often relies on manual calculations and assumptions, which can lead to inaccurate forecasts and unexpected bottlenecks. AI, on the other hand, uses historical data and real-time inputs to make precise predictions about future resource needs. For example, let's say your team regularly handles a project that tends to peak in workload at the end of each quarter. By analyzing data from past projects, AI can identify this pattern and predict when additional resources, like extra team members, extended hours, or increased equipment, might be needed. Instead of reacting to these spikes at the last minute, AI gives managers a heads up well in advance, so they can plan for it by adjusting schedules, hiring temporary staff, or reallocating resources as needed. This proactive approach helps managers avoid last-minute scrambling, missed deadlines, and overworked teams. When you can predict and prepare for resource demands ahead of time, it becomes much easier to keep projects on schedule and ensure that every phase of the workflow runs smoothly. Plus, it leads to cost savings by allowing you to allocate resources efficiently, without the need for emergency hires or last-minute adjustments. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's a great time to do it. We'll be covering more topics on AI and productivity, so don't miss out. Now that we've covered task allocation and predictive planning, let's look at how AI helps in real-time monitoring. 3. Real-time monitoring and adjustments. One of the most powerful aspects of AI in resource management is its ability to provide real-time monitoring and dynamic adjustments. Unlike traditional systems that require manual checks or periodic updates, AI continuously tracks key metrics such as employee performance, project progress, and resource utilization. This constant stream of live data allows managers to have a real-time view of how resources are being used at any moment. For instance, imagine you have a project with a tight deadline, and one of your team members suddenly gets overloaded with tasks. Instead of waiting for this to cause a delay, AI systems can identify the issue instantly and offer solutions, such as reallocating tasks to other team members who have more availability. This means potential problems can be addressed before they escalate, ensuring that projects remain on track. Similarly, if a project is falling behind schedule, AI can analyze the workflow and suggest adjustments, like rescheduling non-essential tasks or adding extra resources to critical parts of the project. This level of flexibility allows businesses to adapt quickly to changes, reducing the risks of missed deadlines and cost overruns. Real-time monitoring also means that managers no longer have to rely on periodic status reports, which might be outdated by the time they're reviewed. Instead, they get instant insights and actionable data that can lead to faster, more informed decision-making. In essence, AI acts as a smart assistant, constantly keeping an eye on the workflow and stepping in to help where needed, ensuring everything runs smoothly. With task allocation, predictive planning, and real-time monitoring, you have a solid system in place. But how do you start implementing AI in your business? 4. Implementing AI for resource management. Implementing AI for resource management might sound like a big step, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. The key is to approach it strategically and focus on where AI can have the most immediate impact. Start by identifying the specific challenges your team is facing when it comes to managing resources. Are you struggling with scheduling conflicts? Is there a problem with inefficient task assignments? Or do you need better real-time tracking of projects and resources? Once you've pinpointed the problem areas, you can start researching AI tools that specialize in solving these issues. For instance, if scheduling is a major challenge, look for AI platforms that use predictive algorithms to optimize schedules and allocate resources efficiently. If task assignment is where you need help, consider AI systems that can analyze team member skills and availability to automatically distribute tasks based on who's best suited for each role. The good news is that many AI resource management tools are designed to integrate seamlessly with the project management software you may already be using, such as Asana, Trello, or Jira. This means you don't have to overhaul your existing systems. Instead, you can enhance them with AI capabilities. These integrations make the transition smooth and straightforward, allowing your team to adapt without a steep learning curve. It's also important to start small. Begin by implementing AI in one area of your workflow, monitor the results, and gradually expand its use. This phased approach helps your team get comfortable with the new technology and allows you to see the benefits in real time, without overwhelming the entire system. By starting with clear objectives and the right tools, AI can transform your resource management processes into something far more efficient, flexible, and scalable. Let us know in the comments if you are already using AI tools or if you are planning to start. And if you're finding these insights helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content like this. We've covered a lot today, but before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. Conclusion and recap. Let's quickly recap what we've covered about how AI can revolutionize resource management. 1. Optimizing task allocation. AI takes the guesswork out of assigning tasks by analyzing team member skills, availability, and workload capacity. This ensures the right people are assigned to the right tasks, preventing bottlenecks and improving overall efficiency. 2. Predictive analytics for resource planning. By analyzing historical data and project timelines, AI can predict future resource needs, allowing managers to anticipate and prepare for busy periods. This proactive approach helps avoid last-minute surprises and ensures projects stay on track. 3. Real-time monitoring and adjustments. With AI's ability to monitor resources continuously, managers get live insights into performance, workload, and project progress. If issues arise, AI can make adjustments on the fly, reallocating tasks or suggesting changes to keep everything moving smoothly. 4. Seamless implementation. Introducing AI into your workflow doesn't have to be difficult. By identifying specific challenges and finding AI tools that integrate easily with your existing systems, you can enhance your resource management without disrupting your current processes. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already here, and it's helping businesses of all sizes operate more efficiently. With the right AI tools, you can streamline resource management, reduce costs, and make sure your team is always performing at its best. Whether you are dealing with task allocation, scheduling, or real-time adjustments, AI has the potential to transform the way you manage your resources and lead to greater productivity and success. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on how technology can help improve your business. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.